Yo. How this? Yo man, I DJ Mickey. How this? Simon? What you want? Yeah man, of course me boss session. Simon? Simon who? Simon Cole? Pitney? When you hear a Simon Cole?
Simon Cole! Yo, he's famous man, he's rich as ever!
In rich?
Yeah!
You sure?
Yeah!
Hold on a minute. Excuse me, Mr. Cowell? Oh yes, of course I know. Yes. Yes, I'd be interested. Of course, Mr. Cowell. Yes, I'd be very interested. Playlist? Oh yes, Mr. Cowell. Have you seen the YouTube video? Oh yes. The male and the female? Oh yes, of course. Bear with me one moment, Mr. Cowell. Yes.
Come in, Mickey!
Where you there?
I'm here, Mickey!
Tracy.
What?
We get Simon Cole on the phone and while we grab a session like that. Talk to him.
I can't, Mickey! I haven't put my makeup on!
Talk to him, man. Talk to him.
Right.
Talk to him.
Hello? Is that you, Simon? Yes? Yes, this is, the one Tracy. Yes? Yes, we do the Reggae night, yes? A playlist? Yes, of course. Yes, if that's what you want. Peter Andre, Mysterious Girl, top of the list. Yes. Oh, one of Mickey's favourites. We're going to rock down to Electric Avenue. And then we'll take it higher, Eddie Grant. Oh yes, we can do that for you. You going to? And send it? And behave it? All right then, Mr. Cowell. Ta-da of it. Ta-da. Okay. He's only sending us a limousine. It's here in 10 minutes.
We are going Simon Cole. We are going rich.
I'm going to wet myself, Mickey.